development.
President, Forum Asia makes this statement along with the Working Group on Human Rights in India and the UN. Madam Tiphagne, we appreciate your report following your visit to India. The report highlights the context in which human rights defenders in India conduct their legitimate work and at the same time face surveillance, threats, intimidation, arbitrary arrest and detention, and not infrequently even death, all of which occur within an atmosphere of widespread impunity. We strongly support your call for a special legislation on the protection of human rights defenders. Madam Tiphagne, we concur with your concern that the amended Foreign Contribution Regulation Act 2010, with its wide discretions and punitive sanctions, poses increasing restrictions against defenders. In recent weeks, NGOs in the state of Tamil Nadu have been targeted on the allegation of opposing the Kudangulam nuclear power plant, presenting an example of the abuse of this law without any due process being adhered to. Furthermore, the persistent misuse of special security laws against defenders working in conflict areas is another worrying trend. As per your recommendations, the Indian government should repeal the Armed Forces Special Powers Act, the Unlawful Activities Act, the Jammu and Kashmir Public Safety Act and the Chhattisgarh Public Security Act. Madam, at least two of the defenders who engaged with your mandate during your country visit, Abhay Sahu from Odisha and Lingaram Kodupi from Chhattisgarh, are currently detained and face trumped-up charges. Their cases, as well as our own responses to the oral statement of the Indian mission as a concerned country, will be detailed during a parallel event on the situation of human rights defenders in India to be held on Wednesday, the 7th March at 2 p.m. in room number 21. All delegations are welcome. Finally, Madam, Forum Asia shares your concern over the violent attacks and criminalization of defenders working on land rights and environmental issues. We draw upon your particular attention to the ongoing aggression by the Cambodian military and police against their local protesters. We regret the absence of responses by the Cambodian government to your previous communications and urge the government to undertake independent and thorough investigations into all communicated cases immediately. Thank you, Madam President.